Yeah, take care of it. Here you go.
Takes deodorant or
No.
Okay. That's gonna be quite stinky.
What's up, boys?
Hey, Rook.
Oh, I probably need that. I mean, I might need that joint.
Yeah, I had an extra, but.
Oh, that would have been chopped. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Not with too many people in the car. We shouldn't put the top down.
Dude, I was looking out for you, bro. I know it's gonna get hot. No, yeah, he's looking out for you. Now, when you put it on, it's cold.
Heck no, it's like way too cold.
It's like a whole island of food on here. Sorry, Toby.
Them plus me.
Danny might not.
He had my constitution, bro.
Well, alright, you see the mountain on the right for your
Wait, I'm gonna take this time to study.
Jack, you were supposed to have your constitution in the shower this morning. Why would you leave it on the bed?
It was in the shower?
Yes, I took this constitution.
Did you make him do Phi Theta Delta Kappas?
Yes.
Theta, Delta, Kappa.
I have a feeling tonight's gonna push all the keys when I
Why are you in your face?
Bend over, stand up on your toes, lock your knees back. You should make that, oh my gosh, please make that the end of your film. What, Jack's little like outro?
Yeah. Hey, Shoutout Famous, sign the job. Swear, out my bag.
Someone's phone.
Not mine.
Jack's getting a Grammy with that one.
Swear.
You got it?
Wait, Landon, can you tell me what's weed? Is it supposed to be clipping or?
I just clicked.
It's just on my legs. I'm ready.
Is that everything I need?
Yeah, I got it.
You go hiking in this. What? Function?
Gary, you're gonna kill yourself. You're gonna leave that.
It's like induction.
You're actually gonna leave that.
Oh, guys, I made a generational fumble.
What?
Wore shorts and no pockets.
Oh!
No.
God, holy shit.
Oh. Pockets.
Wait,
Where's
where's the
top
Polaroid?
part? In the top part. Like right here.
Hey, should I check for the hike on my watch?
You left your car? I got like $80. Yeah, where's the disposable? We need to take a flick.
Oh, I have one.
Right? No, don't open yours. I have it right here.
Flickety flick flick. I gave it to Jennifer. Wait, how are we gonna do this?
My battery's already plugged.
We're driving all the way to that car.
Wait, there's no record in this. That doesn't have to be a prank.
Guys, this is a TK. Guys, you're going through TK's induction right now.
No! Where's my peanut butter? Say that again, Danny.
We're going, dude, right now, dude, we are going through TK's induction, bro.
I'm gonna pull right from the sand down. Who the frick put that on there?
Oh, it's
I like these little nature steps, right?
as we see the wild Jack
You good,
and
Jack?
Danny foraging in the wilderness. Shoutout Famous.
Hey, Shoutout Famous, bro.
I look, you regret bringing these. Some in your pocket. Oh, yeah. See, I don't got a big enough. Take the air out when you roll up.
No!
The team was led astray by the group leader
You got it, bro.
as we find a wild Landon who took them on the wrong path. What will they do now?
Jack, you did it. Holy shortcut.
What?
There's like a bug. Oh, shoot, there's a tick on me. Yo, how do you get
tick.
it?
I don't mind. I don't mind. Give me this.
Yo, wait, the valley's actually pretty right here.
Jeez.
Big, man. Brandon, are we close? Did y'all play a good bit?
We had to wait like 4 games. 4?
Wait, have you ever did this?
No. This is my first time ever hiking. I did it one time with Journey. Yeah. And like I rolled my ankle like in the first 30 minutes of that because I was messing around.
We stay here for like an hour?
No,
Just get a little tan in? 10 we're at Florida, play some waves.
Where's Lena from? Yeah, I thought the 10, it was like 0.
No, it's like 10 or 12.
You're lying, it's like 0, you can't get 10.
Here's Lena.
No, you can't get 10, but you get burnt.
Alright, one down.
And trying to get your right hand on the edge of the stone, like in front of it.
Hey, bro, look at the birds.
Yeah. You're like on top of your V. Yep.
Yes, King.
You see how he did, Jack?
No, not really, man.
Yeah, you just gotta do all up or trim.
Bro, this is like OB5.
Hey, do you think you could walk that way, put your left hand on like the left rock and try and like hold his arm up? No, Jack, don't go that way, Jeff.
Oh, Jerry, jump.
Stop.
Oh, yeah.
It's lucky freaky up here.
No, Shoutout Famous, bro. Savage out. Swish. I love my big.
I want to go hard, but this is where I'm comfortable right here. This little seat.
Yeah, my legs are switching, bro.
Wait a minute, is there a seat up there?
Right here.
Where? Oh, you can get on that one too.
Oh shoot. Be careful with that one.
Look at them birds, bro. That's so tough.
This like with you.
I wish the trees
I'm
were
only
green.
doing this for the Instagram.
Shoutout Famous.
You just like walk out.
I didn't count how many times you said that today. Dude, that's not probably like starting at 8. Hey, can you count for me how many times you say Shoutout Famous today?
A lot. Shoutout Famous.
Should I hang right here?
Yeah, okay. The one on the rock, his parents went there.
Okay.
Oh, up there. All my friends went to tech. I went out.
Oh.
Tech on top.
No, I see a red.
Can you see it from here or no? You can see like a beak. What's more about that right behind the oh.
Hey, JB, where you at, bro? Hickory.
Hickory.
My house tomorrow, bro. Wait till you see the fridge downstairs.
A nice cold one. Fill this one up. Anybody else need water?
Oh, is that a little bit more? Okay.
Rick, that's cold.
It's a video, Jack.
Might not be, but one more. Hold on. Oh, shoot. I've seen how it looks. Keep my hair.
Wait, he's doing it on TikTok?
No, he's doing it on Instagram.
Dude, I'm getting a flick with stuff like that. That could like paddle a pool.
Shout out to Jesus.
I'm saying.
No, say it, bro.
Are we playing jazz or what?
No!
Wait, but they like jazz music. No one's here, bruh.
Yeah, more speakers.
Dude, I've never met a man that doesn't like jazz. Yeah, that one looks nice. Yeah, I like the brown one. Yo, they move like that?
Idiot sandwiches.
Cynthia. Come back.
Moto. And look, Garrett. Dude, Landon looks so stupid, bro.
How about top of it, bro?
Alright, I guess we'll leave cows alone.
Bro, imagine getting like whipped by that by your parents.
Yeah.
This wouldn't even hurt. It just sounds so cool.
Oh, hell no. You want me to whip you with it? That would hurt. We'll be there for sunset. We, like,
We won't even see sunset, bro. We're on the other side.
yeah, we won't see sunset, but I just want light. All it has for being dark. Are we won't even see sunset? Sunset over here.
Yeah.
We'll see sunrise.
Yeah.
We'll get to see it. The sunrise is better.
I'm in a hurry. I thought it was gonna be. Oh, sit down.
How many of us have a headlamp? Do you have a headlamp? No. You have a headlamp?
I'm free balling.
No.
You don't? Do you have one?
And I have a bunch of extra batteries.
So we have two headlamps.
One in the front, one that hug each other, tap order.
Push and pull. We have a push and pull.
Bro.
Put your order out.
Bro, you did not inform me to bring a tap. Oh, whatever.
Gift service.
Hey, Jack, can I see your phone for a second?
Sure, man.
Yeah, man.
Savage out.
Oh, tell us. Buddy, is this the S thing you're talking about, Randy?
Yeah, bro.
One more?
Yeah. This is very much AIDS.
Mountain goat. Yeah. Mountain goat.
You guys on video too.
Caught that in 4K. Hey Garrett, low-key, I'm gonna need some of that chapstick.
You know by accident, bro.
Huh?
I messed up, sir.
Just wait till you get to the top.
You're right.
Jack, say you messed up.
Don't listen to JB.
Jack, you messed up.
JB, do not listen to him.
Jack, don't listen.
Jack, you messed up.
Know your club, bro. Is that California?
I called Lennon JB by accident. I don't know why, but or how.
Hey, say you messed up.
Is this like blinding y'all if I look at you? No.
I'm so glad I brought my hoodie.
In the middle of summer, I got a hoodie on.
Hey, we're almost 13 in.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
I can hear the wind. That's good though.
Yeah, I was dying, bro.
Look at that Grand Wizard hiker. Golly, that's bright.
Sorry.
Wait, look at me. I messed up, sir. I messed up, sir.
I messed up, sir.
I love me, Jack. No. It's not I messed up, sir. It's
I messed up, sir! Oh, perfect.
oh my god.
Oh, my camera's low. Oh, that wind.
Holy crap, bro.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh. Praise God.
Isn't he good?
God is great.
Where's the star?
Oh, we got what down here?
Back to us. There's a lot of pictures of mine together.
Jack, wait, was that like a bait? I did not bait.
Yeah.
It's not like
Boom.
so JB, I'm like,
You think it's ready? Yeah, do you think it's ready?
Yeah, hot.
This is gonna be a hard part for me. One of y'all, can you turn it to the right all the way before it melts my lighter? Dude, that shirt is so drenched.
What a shirt.
The data shirt that I was wearing, it's drenched.
Oh, it's
Yes, I guess because it's cold, I kept the moisture in.
You guys like sweating though cold.
Dude, I was, yeah. If you need it, you just ask me.
Alright, I might just drink whatever's in here, and then I'll do it.
We haven't gained as much.
It's still a lot, though.
We've gained like over 500 feet, like a total.
They have way more on the website.
Yeah, well.
You should make that, oh my gosh, please make that the end of your film. What, Jack's little like outro.
Yeah. Hey, Shoutout Famous, savage out, swish, on my big. No, Shoutout Famous, bro, savage out, swish, on my big. Shoutout Famous.
Shoutout Famous.
Hey, can you count for me how many times you say Shoutout Famous today?
A lot. Shoutout Famous.
Shoutout Famous.
Hey, Shoutout Famous, bro.
Yo, how do you
A tip.
I'm only doing this for the Instagram.
Shout out to Jesus.
I'm saying.
Hickory.
Hickory. Yeah. Idiot sandwiches.
Sure, man.
Yeah, man.
Savage out.
That would go. Yeah.
I messed up, sir.
I messed up, sir.